This level was marked 4 days before the trade ever happened. It was tested, reclaimed, and then delivered perfectly. At ESDaily, we don't react, we plan. This is the 6283 reclaim setup from Friday, July 11th, and how it played out exactly as we mapped in the game plan. Let's walk it through. In Monday's game plan, July 7th, I wrote, if we see a pullback to 6283, 6276, watch for failed breakdown setups and reclaim. Strong rally base rally from July 3rd. That's 4 days before the trade happened. We let the market come to us. By Thursday night, ES had dropped from 63.30 to 62.83. The setup was live and it was time to engage. We needed to see price behavior that confirmed our entry criteria. At ESDaily, we never catch falling knives. We let the market confirm direction before we pull the trigger. At 6:30 a.m. Friday, I posted the update. We've accepted below 62.83, watch for reclaim of 62.87 or deeper move into 62.76. That's what we got. We bottomed at 62.76.75, then printed a higher low at 62.78.75, then reclaimed 62.83. I entered at 62.83.75 and added at 62.87. I let subscribers know what my targets were and my taking profit strategy. The same one I use to ensure we have a high win rate and lock in profits when they're due. Targets were clean, always at the next level up. T1 at 62.95, T2 at 63.05, all hit. Target 1, target 2 in under 3 hours. And what did we do when the market hit our levels and moved 10 points up and down? Nothing. We stuck to the process. We didn't suffocate our trade. We executed by sitting on our hands. This is why planning matters. We don't need 10 setups a day. We just need one great one that we understand, that we wait for, and that we trade with confidence. Identify structure. Let price come to you. Execute and scale out with precision. That's the system. That's the strategy. And that's why it works, over and over again. The next level's already marked. Let's trade it together. Want more trades like this? Join the thousands of subscribers and join me. Go to esdaily.com and subscribe.